GoPro mounts are great, but do you ever wish you could disconnect and reconnect them a lot quicker? Well, now you can. It's not that bad. See? This is the new Falcam F22 system from Ulanzi. It's constructed entirely of aluminium, so it's very hardy. When something clips in, it can only clip in one way, meaning you're not going to accidentally overshoot and push it all the way through the mount. Once it's in, it's super secure and it won't go anywhere. It comes with an amazingly well finished tightening bolt, and because it's got these wings, it's easier to tighten and loosen. So because this system utilizes the 3-fingered mount, it means you can use it with the Insta360 One RS, for example. Now you may notice this plate is different to the last one. This one has a freely rotating ball joint. So some of you might be familiar with the Falcam F38 system that's been around for the past couple of years. Now this was designed primarily for DSLRs and bigger cameras, bigger than action cameras anyway. This new plate has been designed so that it can fit both the old F38 system and the new F22. So you just use it in a different orientation, slide it through like so, and then go straight into one of the smaller F22. Now there is another really useful thing about these plates. They actually have a little screw hole in the bottom. So if you want to go and use your Insta360 pole, then you can, like so. So I have another mounting piece that has these 3 little screws, and it goes on any strap for like a bag or a satchel or something like that. And this one will allow you to secure your camera in this orientation. Now you may be wondering, why should you use this over the buckle clip mount? The thing is, if you want to change from an accessory that doesn't use the buckle mount, you have to then undo the screw before you can mount it on a different thing. But also available is a buckle clip with the F22 mounting system attached to it. So you can slot that on something like this El Grande. So I'm going to slide it on here. You can then go ahead and mount your camera. So these kind of systems are super useful just for quality of life while you're using cameras in lots of different mounts and accessories. So even though I really like this quick mounting system, I still think the GoPro mount is one of the most secure you can get for any action camera. It's just something to be said with putting a big screw, cinching it right down and tightening it to the point where it just feels like it could never come loose. The Action 3, I'll never feel totally secure with it because it's just kind of seated in there. It's held on with 2 little clips that could fail. Thanks again to Ulanzi for sending this my way for review. If you want to know more about the F22 system, look in the description and I'll put a link to the page where you can find it. And as ever, I'll see you on the next one.